Hello, this is Cybergiant. Today I'm going to talk about the Internet Professor and Internet Toolbox. What it is a way to make money on the Internet. This quick reference guide will teach you learn how to increase web traffic, time and saving technique, and so forth. The introduction mostly talk about like how to achieve results by determining your result or objective, identify requirements about action plan and schedule, acquire necessary techniques, and so forth. After that is a proven internet business models, steps to website development, how to increase traffic, add money, making tools, and conclusion from e-commerce and online sites. This book was like pretty much published in about 2006 from California. What includes this is like $195. Includes like a bunch of CDs, but I didn't find all of them. Some in the basement. This was the Internet Toolbox installation kit for the business edition, ThemeWare. So the back. It's a tell you the instruction. It's a CD-ROM. Install it, set up, technical support. You can contact them through phone or email. Also comes with EarthenLink. EarthenLink is a Sprint Total Access 2.2. I haven't used it. This is a download for like internet in the 90s. We just pop in the disk, you have internet. Yeah, they mostly give you a promotion like free for 1 month and then you pay $9.95. That was the cheapest internet. And as time goes by, it went to $19.99, $20. Right now it's like $40 if you go on Verizon. They're $9.99 for 200 MBS or 100 MBS, same price. And Comcast $39.99 for about like 1 year. And it also has the level playing field, the self-paced multimedia tool, point and click. It has a total of 200 websites inside. Just install the disk. And it also includes Internet Toolbox, your role for Internet Successful. First it said read it first. It has one CD-ROM, so like three CD-ROMs, a VHS, a brochure package, web page, template sheet, banner advertising, program information, and so forth. This is the business edition. So like opens up. Is your system requirements are Windows 98, 95 or higher. Installation programs, what it needs, overview of the internet box. This is what the website looks like. Go to themeware.com. It also has like a lot of features like touch you step by step all the way to how to make money online. There's the training guide. What can your company accept credit cards? Personal internet business consultant training guide. E-commerce reseller training material and the steps by step. It also comes with a free customized web page order. We can customize one website for free with no technical experience required. Simple to update, easy domain name, logo, graphics, and so forth. And you can choose like from any of these. These are free web pages. You can purchase it. Choose from 12 template designs. Just write your business name. Enter up to 1,500 words on your web page. Description necessary. Phone number. Mail it back to them. It's like take your logo, image. And it also has comes with an internet web page from the SBN.com. What it is like they have questions. They can help you find like information online. Click on the state, area code. It's like Yellow Page. It was founded in 1994 by SBA Company, largest, easy to use yellow page, and they usually mail you out every single year. Right now, they haven't done that for a while, so in search engine, type your business. SBN is the easiest and fastest. The next thing it comes with is e-commerce themeware, which is part of the internet box. Card how to maximize your profit with the power of card services. Merchant account is known to help increase business to 30 to 100% power. Why accept credit cards? Because credit card issue over 220 million Americans every single year. 144 are Visa, 93 million are MasterCard, 41 million for Discover, and 25 million for American Express, which means over 80% of people have credit cards. And these are the what credit cards they accept. There's an ATM debit card, phone checks. They don't have this no more. Diners Club still have, but only for top level rich people. Check guarantee, maybe no more. ATM debit card, no more. Cancel. And they have card services that give you 24-hour support, free temporary replacement equipment within 24 hours, customer service, department that speak different languages, translators for you, 7 days a week, including holidays, monthly merchant statements, access to funds within 24 to 48 hours, daily and monthly totals. You have a virtual terminal, web link. These are the benefits. Okay. Also, they'll give you a check so you can use to pay for the e-commerce division. It costs only like $195. It's about till whatever date, but then came with a date, so it's valid for forever pretty much. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video with everyone so they can know about Internet Toolbox and the Internet Professor. And I hope to see you guys again next time. Goodbye.